I encourage everyone to continue serving as an example to educators around the world. Lead with empathy, teach with skill and compassion, live with integrity. Nasa sa inyong mga kamay ang hinuhubog ang mga susunod na leader, ang ating mga siyentista, mga doktor, mga manggagawa at lingkod bayan ng ating bansa. Guide our youth as they continue to learn more about themselves, as they expand their horizons and they reach their full potential. Together, let us shape a bagong Pilipinas where teachers are valued, students are fully supported, and communities are empowered through education. Dagang salamat, mabuhay ang ating mga guro, at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.